What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. It has been a long day today. I cut out a couple doors, framed one, got one ready for tomorrow. And throughout the day, I was getting different messages from different people asking me different questions about the business. If it's pertaining to the containers, or you wanting a container, or you needing to know different things about how to purchase one, or how to get into one, call me anytime. Message me anytime. I don't have no problem with giving you the information you need to help further your decision. But if you're calling me based on what I'm doing and want me to show you or teach you or tell you what to do to actually get some money and to get established independently, that's a consultation fee I charge $150 for. There's nothing free out here. Absolutely nothing. But the game that I'm going to give you for $150, you might as well say it's $10,000 worth of game that I'm giving you for $150 that I guarantee you that the next man would not give you. But I want to see you grow. But just like me, I had to pay. I had to put my first foot forward. So you got to do the same.